Have you ever wondered what keeps your body running like a perfectly tuned machine? Just like a car needs fuel, our bodies need energy from food. But how do we unlock that energy? The secret lies with tiny, incredible, powerful workers inside us called enzymes. So, what exactly are these microscopic, powerful houses and what do they do? Simply put, an enzyme is a natural catalyst made by our cells. Think of it as a super efficient factory workers that speed up chemical reactions. Our bodies have thousands of different enzymes, each with a specific job. They are involved in literally everything from digesting your lunch and breathing to repairing your DNA and even flexing your muscles. Some enzymes work inside our cells, while others, like the ones that break down food, do their job in our gut. What makes them so special? Well, for starters, they are incredibly fast. A single enzyme molecule can process hundreds of substrate molecules, the stuff they work on, in just a few seconds. Most enzymes are protein, but recent discoveries have found some enzymes called ribozymes are actually made of RNA. Here is how they work. An enzyme temporarily grabs onto a substrate, forming an unstable complex. This complex quickly breaks apart, releasing the final product and the original enzyme, which is now free to start the process all over again. It's perfect reusable system, but this process is delicate. An enzyme's activity depends on the right temperature and pH level, and unfortunately, poisons like mercury or lead can block them, stopping vital bodily functions. Beyond our bodies, enzymes are superstars in medicine and industry. They are used to make cheese, create artificial sweeteners, and even boost the power of your laundry detergents. They are also crucial in manufacturing medicines like semi-synthetic penicillin. Scientists classify enzymes into seven main groups based on what they do, like transferases that move groups around and ligases that join molecules together. Now let's talk about the future because enzyme technology is exploding with mind-blowing innovations. First, there is AI-based enzyme engineering. Scientists are now using artificial intelligence to design brand new enzymes that are faster, more stable, and can even perform tasks not seen in nature. This is a game changer for creating new medicine and better food products. Next up, CRISPR and gene editing enzymes. You have probably heard of CRISPR. Tools like Cas9 and Cas12 are enzymes that act like molecular scissors, allowing us to cut and paste DNA. This is revolutionizing how we research genetic diseases and develop groundbreaking new therapies. Then we have ribozyme technology. These are RNA enzymes and engineered versions are being explored as future treatment for a range of conditions by regulating our genes. One of the most exciting developments is enzymes that can fight pollution. Scientists have created an enzyme called phosphatase that can break down plastic bottles in a matter of hours, not centuries. This could be the key to solving our global plastic waste problem. There are also nanozymes, which are an artificial enzyme made from nanoparticles. They are cheaper, most stable, and can resist heat, making them perfect for things like cancer therapy, water purification, and even smart wound dressing that help you heal faster. We're also getting smarter about how we use enzyme in industry. Using modern immobilization techniques, we can now attach enzyme to materials allowing them to be reused over and over. This makes everything from biofuel production to textile manufacturing much more efficient and sustainable. Finally, enzymes are at the heart of modern diagnostic tools. The PCR and rapid test we all become familiar with rely on enzymes like DNA polymerase and Cas enzymes. They allow for the quick and accurate detection of infections, genetic disorders, and even pollutants in our environments. From keeping us alive to cleaning up our planet, enzymes are truly the unsung heroes of our world. The more we understand them, the more we can unlock their incredible potential to build a better, healthier future. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more science content.